RDHL stock is on the move in this pre-market session of today, the 27th of November 2023, up 112%, and with over 26 million shares having crossed the tape so far in this pre-market session. It's definitely a penny stock. As you can see, market cap is really small. The news behind this huge spike is that the company disclosed today, a few hours ago, that the FDA has granted it a 5-year market exclusivity for Talicia, a treatment for Helicobacter pylori infection. Helicobacter is a stomach infection, so the company said that the grant is on top of 3 years of exclusivity previously awarded, adding that intellectual property protection covers Talicia up to 2034. So market participants are sharing that news. The company approved a supplementary new drug application for the treatment, allowing a three times daily dosing regime, the company indicated. So yeah, that's why we are looking at this huge spike right now in this pre-market session. It didn't like spike right away when the market opened. Just a few, I would say probably a few, about up to an hour, I think, or there, about 30 minutes into the session, and it just skyrocketed. We can see now we're talking about 220% gain. Yeah, 26 million shares haven't crossed the tape and still climbing. Hey, this is the order book. From here we can actually get an idea of what market participants are projecting. We can see some are looking at 0.7219 all the way towards 0.73, but at the same time as well, they are also on the downside. There's we can see here 0.6601. Yeah, a wide, not so, the range is not that wide. In other words, probably implying that market participants, I'm not expecting, I mean, I guess they are saying that this is good, this is good news, even if they don't achieve, they don't monetize it, but it's good news. I mean, this is in a very short time. You could just say that, going by the range we are looking at right now, 0.6651 and 0.725. That's not that wide as such, not that wide as such, So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. So let's see what the projections are indicating on Trading View. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. So I think by the time earlier on it was somewhere around here, so it's picked up, yes, and projections go all the way towards 0.8129. Before that we have 0.7678, 0.7511. The reason why this 1 minute chart is slightly relevant is because this just may be a one-off rally, maybe, but maybe, yeah, it's a spike that might continue. So maybe in this session, so maybe the 1 minute chart may give you an indication of what may happen, So indeed also the 5 minute chart, and indeed, much more narrow, much more or rather the shorter interval charts, so on the 5 minute chart, it's not within any of its Fibonacci projections, but here we have 0.8462, similar to what we have on the 1 minute chart. So let's look at the 45 minute chart and see. On the 45 minute chart, it's spiked above all of its projections there. And if you go to the 1 day chart, we can also see that the stock is definitely consolidating within a longer term downtrend. So right now it's definitely okay. We have an upper projection of all the way towards $10.9. I mean, that would be a bit ambitious, but that projection is there, and I don't exactly know the criteria for determining that projection, but in any case it's there. And below that we have a 6.84, and a bunch of projections. We can see something like something that looks like 1.77, 1.77. The odds of that happening, I can't say that it's very high or not, but the stock is in a move in this pre-market session, and projections go all the way towards $0.84. We haven't seen such bids or asks on its order book. So I think market participants are just being very modest, amongst other things. They're just being very modest in their in their speculation as it concerns the stock. So the gain is now 124.85. So see what you make of RDHL, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.